Hey there, Tall Man Clan, welcome back. Today we are on deck 16 on the Carnival Jubilee, as you can see, and we are gonna look at the passenger cabins part of this deck. As you can see, we're pinpointed right here on the very forward elevator shaft. Now, if you see there's some lines here, they want you to go this way. However, I have a little cheat I wanna show you. If you wanna get to your cabin and you're coming from the pool or from the buffet, you don't have to walk all the way to the elevators. Okay, you can use this little side door right here, right? There's actually a hidden bathroom right here too. But this door right here leads you to your cabins. And this is right where we're gonna start. Of course, I can't figure out what number this is. 297, 16295, 16293, 91, 89, 87, 85, 83, 281, 279, 277, crew door, 275, 273, 271, 269, 267. So you know the change of color in the carpet, this big square, that lets you know you're at the stairs and elevators. And remember, that is right where we started, right here. Okay, again, we just saw 267. Now we're moving into 265, 263, 261, 259, crew door, 257, 255, 253. Now, we have a strange little jig jog right here. There's some inside cabins, I believe. Like, I call them inside cabins. So let's go get them first. Okay, 211, 209, 207, 205, 203. And last but not least, 201 for your inside cabins. Crew door. So we're gonna have to backtrack to get to that other intersection, okay? Because we didn't get to see these cabins yet. This ship being so wide, not as wide as some of the Royal Caribbean ships, but still pretty wide, it allows them to have inside cabins, okay? 251, 249, 247, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 231, 29, 27, 25, 23, 221, 219. Again, we're gonna go, hang on, 217, 215, crew only. We're gonna cross back over here. This is sort of right where we came through. So we can't actually go to the other side. Let's just take a quick peek and make sure. Just make sure. Yeah, the bridge is up there. So we're not gonna go that way, or private crew areas, which means we're gonna have to double back all the way to the elevator shaft to cross over to the other side and the other cabins. Okay, so if you have a big party coming on and you have a bunch of cabins and some are on one side of the ship and some are on the other, just know you ain't getting across easily. Because a lot of passenger decks, again, they sort of go 360. This one is not letting us do it. In fact, we'll go back to the deck plan to show you, right? We ended right here and we couldn't cross over. So we're back over here right now. So let's go. It makes it a little bit more challenging. And we're gonna go all the way back to the end and walk back this way. So we wanna pick a nice, good starting place. So we'll do that here. Which, by the way, if you remember, on the other side there was that funny door. They have the same thing on this side. So if you're coming from the buffet, you can just come in that door right there, which is by the two glass doors, and come to your cabin, okay? 16294, 292, 290, 288, 86, 84, 82, 80, 78, back that way, 76, 74, 72, 70, 68, 66, 64. Your elevators and stairs are right there. 62, 60, 58, 56, 54, crew door, 52, excuse me, sorry guys, 50, 48, crew door, 46, 44, 42, 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 208, 206, 204, crew area, and last but not least, 202. And again, bridge. See, the stuff of the bridge, it's all secure up there, so let's not try. All right, so hopefully you saw your cabin. If you did, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing. Until we see you again on the next ship or the next deck, be safe.